Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, we continue learning how can we solve equation, and for this video, we focus on the fraction. Question 1. Classify which of the following as true or false. A divided by 5 means A over 5 like here. Okay, this is right. And for the next one, here is true. And 12 plus 3q inside the brackets and divide by 4, just like the fraction by this one. Yeah, okay. And this is mean, yeah, this is true. Oh, okay, this one is 4 because a plus 4 over 3 is mean a plus 4 divide by 3 inside the bracket like this one. And for here, this is not right because h divided by 5 is mean h over 5 like this one. Okay, so D and F is false, are false. A, B, C, E are true. Question 1, we done. Question 2, find the value of this if h equal to 10. Okay, h equal to 10, substitute 10 to the equation, divide by 2, 14 over 2 equal to 7. And about B, this is 10. H divided by 2 plus 4 is mean 10 divided by 2 plus 4. Here is 5 plus 4 equal to 9. State whether the following is true or false. Equivalent expression, of course not, because when we substitute h equal to 10, the given value in here and the given value in here, 7 different to 9, so this cannot be right. This is false. And you can understand that h over 4 divided by 2, this is different to h divided by 2 plus 4. Okay. Question 2, we done. Question 3, fill the missing steps to solve each of these equations. Multiply 4 for subject B. 11 multiply 4, you got 44. D over 5 multiply 5 become to D. 3 multiply 5 become to 15. 8 over 4 multiply 4. 7 multiply 4, here is 8, this is 28. Multiply 13, of course, multiply 13, here is P, here is 26, here is 26. Okay. Question 4, each of the following equation to the approximate first step. Okay, need to solve. You need to solve h over 3 means we need to multiply 3. So which one is multiply both sides by 3? Got this one is B. The first step for solving this one is you need to subtract h over 3 is mean minus 2 for both sides of the first will be the first step. Yeah, so C will be here. And for the new one here, multiply 2. Because after multiply 2, you have the numerator here is h minus 3. Multiply both sides by 2. And of course, the last one will be corresponding D to D. H over 2 minus 3 plus 5. Okay, so the first step needs to be add 3. After add 3, we have here is 8. That's it. That is question D. Go on for question C. Solve the following equation algebraically. Question 5. A. We have m over 6 equal to 2. So the first step I will apply is multiply 6 for left, multiply 6 for right. After that, you got here is m, and this one will be 12. About the number, question B. C over 9 equal to 2. Yeah, multiply for left, multiply 9 for right. Here is C, and this one will be 18. About C, 8 over 8 equal to 2. Okay, multiply this with 8, and this one multiply by 8 also. Here is 8, and here is 16. The next one, you got D. r divided by 5 equal to 2, and this is multiply 5, and this one multiply 5. We got r here and 10 here. Yeah, that is question D. Oh, sorry, I erased it a little quickly. Question E, we have 3u over 5 equal to 12. The first step, multiply 5, and the right also be multiply 5. 3u equal to 60. And after that, you got here is divide by 3. This is divide by 3. This is u, and this one is 20. And about the question F, 2y over 9 equal to 4. Multiply this with 9 and multiply with this 9. 2y equal to 36. After here, we have divide by 2. You got y. The right also be divide by 2. You got 18 will be my final answer. That is question F. The next question is question G. Question G, about here we got 5x divided by 2 equal to 10. Multiply 2 left, multiply 2 right, 5x here, 20 here. 5 times x, it means the next step we need to divide by 5. Divide by 5 here is x, and this one is 4. Okay, and the next one, you got question 8. 3a over 8 equal to 6. Multiply 8 now. Multiply 8 now. 3a equal to 48. Divide by 3 and divide by 3. Here is a equal to 16. Here is a equal to 16. Okay. And question I. 4 8 equal over 5 equal to 8. And let me make it one a little bit more shortened, so working out 4 8 over 5 multiply 5, we got 4 8, and multiply 5, you got here is 40. After that, divide by 4, right? Divide by 4, you got 8 equal to 10. Question J, 3j over 5 equal to 9. Multiply 5, 3j multiply 5, 45. Divide by 3, here is j, and this is 15. And this is k. 5v over 5 equal to 5. Multiply 9, 5v, 45. Divide by 5, you got v equal to 9. Okay, we finished question. Here is question K. And the last question, I spend it by yourself working on this question.